Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make subdomain on GoDaddy. So before we start, of course, the first thing that you would like to do is just go and open whatever browser you are going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go into this URL section, simply type godaddy.com and hit the enter button. Of course, that should take you into this page. And if you're facing any issues with the language, as I faced in my first time in this website, you'll have to scroll down until the bottom of it and make sure to change the country or region, which will change the language with it. Of course, if you want even to change the currency, that will be possible. So now you will have to go back and log in into your account if you have one. And if you don't have an account, you'll have to go and create one. Of course, you will be able to do both options. As this top right corner option, you will find the option to create or even log in into your account. Once you did one of those two options, you'll find yourself on this screen, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on GoDaddy website. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorials, we would like to make a subdomain in GoDaddy. And if we want to do that, we'll simply have to go to the products page, but click at your name at the top right corner, then click at my product, which will take you to the products page. Of course, once you do that, you will find yourself on this page. Yeah. And once you're here, just go to this domain section, expanded if not expanded. Look for the domain name that you would like to make a subdomain on, then click on DNS so you get into the DNS management page. Once you're here, make sure to scroll down until you find this DNS records. Click on Add to make your subdomain. And that is the subdomain, of course. You can just select the type of subdomain you want, the name of it, the value, and change the TLS if necessary. Of course, the default is going to be 1 hour. So if you want, once you finish, click as Add Record, and that's how you make subdomain. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.